Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Honda Jazz bonnet. First, locate the bonnet release lever inside your car, usually on the driver's side, near the door sill or dashboard. Pull this lever firmly towards you. You should hear a distinct click as the primary latch disengages. This action partially releases the bonnet, allowing for the next step in the process. After pulling the interior lever, walk to the front of your Honda Jazz. Gently lift the bonnet a few inches. Look underneath the front edge, near the center, for a small safety catch. This catch prevents the bonnet from flying open accidentally. You will need to either push it to the side or lift it upwards to fully disengage the secondary latch. Once the safety catch is released, you can now fully lift the bonnet. Use both hands to raise it smoothly until it's completely open. Next, locate the bonnet support rod. This rod is typically clipped into a holder on the underside of the bonnet or near the engine bay. Carefully remove the rod and insert its end into the designated hole on the bonnet's underside to keep it securely open. To close the bonnet, first remove the support rod from its hole and secure it back in its original clip. Gently lower the bonnet until it is about 1 foot above the engine bay. Then, let it drop with a slight force. You should hear a clear click as the primary latch engages. Always double-check that the bonnet is fully closed and secure before driving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.